Okay, here we are on the December 2019 version. We got our letters, numbers, volumes, page numbers, and index with our titles and our chunks. Okay, very good. And we can click here to search for one of the volumes of the Talmud. Okay, excellent. And whatever you search for will run a filter and will fill in the box over here. Excellent. Or you could search by page number. There we go. And whenever you do one search, it kicks out all the others, which was fixed in a later version. Okay, very good. You can also just type anything you want in the search box here. Akiva or David, and this will run faster than the previous version, September 2019, as it's all now using AngularJS. No more jQuery. Okay, also we can call the cutouts. Here are the cutouts. So when you run a search, let's say God or David, it'll show the volume and the page number plus index for the 10 earliest cutouts of 57. Or let's say love. Yeah, okay, so there you go. Or we could do, let's say, fire. There you go. So it has the Masechta, the volume, and the page number with the index. Oh, that's the cutout button. Okay, you can click it to show it and to hide it. Excellent. Then you can go to the menu button. Now the menu button is proper layout and icons. There are 14 menu buttons for major categories, and each button will pop out with a grid display with pictures and names: general, Jewish, nature, animals, Torah male characters, Talmud male characters, Torah female, Talmud female, family, people, food, body. This would be the token system. That's non-textual tags that are added on as an extra layer, and then the volumes. Excellent. Okay, very good. Then if you want to, let's say, okay, Menachos, or let's go back to, let's say, Avodah Zarah. Okay, now I can click the titles button, and that will let me pop in my titles. Oh, I like this title. Let me add that to the section. I like my titles here. So you can choose whatever titles you want, and I'll just queue them up. And that fits into the larger idea of shear builder tools, like the ball search, etc. Okay, that's titles. And then you can have history, which will pop out whatever you pick with icons. So let's say if I do the menu button and I go nature and I go moon, then it will add the moon in the history pop-out area, and I can close the menu, and here's the stats area, right? And here's the dial for the stats area. Excellent. Very good. Okay, and then we can close it off. And then I have another, this is a picture area, so it would show a picture of moon. That has to be fixed. It did work before. This was a button that shows the general build for the prototyping. So this was originally called version 1.2, and there were this many cutouts and this many features, and it was finished December 15th, 2019. Talmud for every Jew. Okay. And then you can run a further filter. The first column, the second column can be show or hide. The third column, show or hide. And then you have the title, show and hide the title. Then we had the spacing line, not so useful. And then we had pop out compressed to just the titles. Very good. Excellent. And that is December 2019.